My name is Russell Dyson, and I'm one of the principal owners of Coleman Meadows Farm with my wife Jennifer, and my son Edward and his wife Melanie also farm here. We're a dairy. We have water buffalo and a conventional cow dairy. Coleman Meadows Farm is about 170 acres. Of that, 80 acres is still in forest, and we have a coho-bearing stream that cuts through the property. We're standing near a tributary to that stream that was, long before we got here, impacted by human contact, shall we say. So it's barren, and the waters flow through here still and contribute to the mainstream. But through this program and through this project, we've been able to plant natural species here that will help maintain water quality, the temperature of the water, and just add to the benefits that we're currently providing to the coho-bearing stream. I think it all begins with the environmental farm planning process, which enables farmers to take a look at their footprint on the land and manage their farm, not in a regulatory process or procedure, but voluntary, and to work away at those things that establish a better footprint. So environmental farm planning was the first step, and then through that program it has enabled us to access others such as this program.
So we are here at Coleman Meadows Farm, where the main challenge, as we can see in the background, is an abundance of invasive species. So the dominant invasive species here are scotch broom and red canary grass. Red canary grass is an agronomic species that has been widely used in the past century, and that has now taken over many wetlands and farm edges. Scotch broom, as we know very well, has the ability to scatter millions of seeds and infill the soil with a seed bank that's very hard to deal with. So the techniques we've been using to control and manage red canary grass around the riparian planting is the use of tree guards that will protect the plants from being smothered by red canary grass. These tree guards are also very effective at improving airflow in the summer and shading the plants a little bit, which makes it just easier for them to survive the droughts.
For most farmers in BC, we're all doing something to protect and maintain the land. This program is assisting us, it assists others, and it's really advantageous to have that and not leave it entirely up to us because of the demands on the farm. Sometimes we just can't get to these projects that are on the wish list, but we don't get to. Farmland Advantage is available to all farmers that meet the criteria, and those are modest. It provides assistance, and to take a look at, it's not necessarily just replanting on our farm, it's other things. We looked at replacing culverts and things that would be beneficial more to the farm practices here, not just to the environment. So there's a whole host of programs that are available. What I really appreciate is the flexibility of the program, looking at what our needs are as well as what are the things that benefit or advantage to the environment.